Lansweeper Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Lansweeper isn't just an asset management tool. You won't believe how it uncovers every device, software license and network vulnerability in your organization. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for large enterprises, but the surprising truth is Lansweeper is scalable for small and medium businesses as well. Pricing starts at $495 per year for up to 500 assets, including network discovery, detailed hardware and software reports, and license management. For larger environments, pricing scales based on asset count. Most people overlook the fact that Lansweeper automates its auditing, which can save significant labor hours and ensure compliance with software licensing agreements. Lansweeper also provides integrations with helpdesk tools and security platforms, offering alerts and analytics to detect vulnerabilities before they become problems. You won't believe how much insight teams gain into device performance, network health, and software usage, enabling proactive management instead of reactive fixes. In conclusion, Lansweeper pricing reflects a robust set of features for asset management, compliance, and its security. For organizations seeking to streamline operations, maintain accurate inventories, and prevent costly issues, it provides strong value. It's an investment that pays off through efficiency, security, and informed decision-making.